Hello and welcome to the Utility Telephone Video Training Series. We hope this will enhance your experience with our new utility telephone hosted in the cloud phone service. This tutorial will help you understand and use the most common features available within CommPortal when you sign in as a business group administrator. Please use the panel on the left to navigate to the section you would like to learn more about. You can press the pause button at any time to pause the tutorial. To move to the next feature, either click on the feature link or use the arrow button to navigate to the next feature on the list. To exit the tutorial, click the exit button located in the top right-hand corner of the player. CommPortal BG Admin is a web portal enabling administrators to manage and configure features and settings associated with their account, otherwise referred to as the business group. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to reset users' passwords, assign buttons to a phone, assign users to a hunt group, set up a call pickup group, create shortcodes, create departments and assign users, export call logs, configure music on hold, and configure an easy attendant. Upon login to CommPortal as an admin, you will see a menu on the left providing access to many features and services that can be modified. To modify a service, click the associated tab. For example, to create call pickup groups, click the Call Pickup Groups tab to make your configurations. Additionally, you can access CommPortal using the individual end users' lines and make changes to their accounts, reset passwords, and update user profiles. The Settings button enables you to perform a refresh, view help files, and log out. Each user with a voicemail box has an account password, which is used to access CommPortal, and a call services PIN, which is used to access their voicemail box and other features through the telephone interface, or TUI. To reset a user's account password or voicemail PIN, click the Lines tab. Select the user, then click the Settings tab. To reset the user's account password, click the Change link. Enter the new password, then confirm the new password, and click Confirm. To reset the user's call services PIN, click the Change link, enter the new PIN, and click Confirm. To return back to the main portal, close the window for that line. As an administrator, you can assign soft keys to a specific device type. For example, if your users need to call a particular phone number frequently, you could assign that phone number to a customizable key or soft key. To assign buttons to a user's phone, click the Phones tab. Select the user to modify. From here, you can modify the soft keys. To assign users to a hunt group, click the MLHGs tab. A list of existing hunt groups is displayed. Select the hunt group to modify by clicking the Settings button. Click the MLHG Lines button. The users that are currently assigned to the hunt group are displayed. To add additional users, click the Add Lines button to view the list of all available users. Select the users to add, then click Add Selected. To add a single line, enter the extension or phone number here, then click Add. Call pickup groups enable users to pick up their line on another user's phone when their line is ringing. To set up a call pickup group, click the Call Pickup Groups tab. Click Add Group, enter a name of the group, then click Add. Next, add users to the group. Click the Settings button. Then click the Add Lines button to view the list of all available users. Select the users to add, then click Add Selected. To add a single line, enter the extension or phone number here, then click Add. Once configured, the feature is active and any user within the pickup group can pick up their line on any of the other users' phones by dialing *98. Shortcodes allow users to quickly dial common numbers from their desktop phone. You can add individual codes and associated phone numbers, or enter a range of codes and a range of phone numbers. To add a shortcode, click the Shortcodes tab. Then click Add. Enter the code, for example, 5. Then enter the telephone number to associate with this code. Click Add to save. Once configured, users in the business group can use these codes to place calls from their desktop phones. To add a department, click the Departments tab. Then click Add Department. Enter the department name and, if applicable, the parent department. To assign users to the department, click the Lines tab. Select the users to add. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the department to move them to. Finally, click Move to add those users to the department. To export a report of your call logs, which displays call history for users within your business group, click the Call Logs tab. Next, enter the start and end date, or use the Calendar tool to select the dates to include on the report. To export call logs associated with a specific department, select the department from the drop-down menu. Then click Download. The report is displayed in CSV file format. Music on hold is the audio file that is played when a user places a caller on hold. This service can be assigned to users within your business group and customized on a per-user's basis. To configure music on hold settings for users in your business group, click the Music on Hold tab. The Mappings tab displays a list of current configurations. To add a new music on hold file, click the Resources tab. Enter an ID and description of the file, then click the Browse button to search for the file on your computer. Click Add to upload. Next, click the Mapping tab to assign this music file to users. Select the user from the directory number list. Then, select the resource to assign. Next, select the action. When finished, click Save. Easy attendants are used to route calls to various destinations, employees within your company, specific groups of employees, voicemail, or announcement messages without the assistance of an operator or receptionist. They also provide callers with your company greeting and dialing menu options. Each Easy Attendant is assigned a unique 10-digit number for identification and setup purposes. The Easy Attendant has two modes, one for business hours and the other for after hours. Each mode allows you to set up options 1 through 9, pound, and star to present callers with different choices from which to select. To modify your Easy Attendant, from the Lines page, select the Easy Attendant line. To route calls based on the time of day, for example, after hours versus traditional business hours, you must configure a schedule. Click the Schedule tab. Then select to start with an example schedule. Select the cells that represent your business hours, for example, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Then click Apply. Next, configure your business hours menu and greetings. Click the Business Hours menu tab. Here you can configure the destination that callers will reach once they press the corresponding buttons on their dial pad, options 1 through 9 and 0. The destination options are available from the drop-down menu. They include Play Announcement, Transfer to Phone, Transfer to Voicemail, Dial by Extension, and Dial by Name. Once you select an option, you must configure the final destination. For example, to transfer option 3 to a user's phone, a hunt group, or another Easy Attendant, select Transfer to Phone and enter the number or partial number of the user, hunt group, or Easy Attendant. To route callers to an announcement, for example, directions to your office, select the Play Announcement option, then click the link to record the announcement. To enable callers to dial by name, select the Dial by Name option. Note: users must have their name recorded in order to be found in the Dial by Name directory. Once you have configured all of your business hours menu options, you must record the business hours greeting to match to those options. To record your greeting, click here. If you have a microphone on your computer, you can simply begin recording your message. Click Record to start. If you do not have a microphone on your computer, you can record your greeting from your phone. Repeat these steps for your non-business hours menu. Start by clicking on the Non-Business Hours menu tab. When finished, click the Main button, then click Turn On to enable this Easy Attendant. We hope you enjoyed and benefited from this training video. If you have additional questions, please check out our other videos or call customer care at 877-965-7800.